These days the world's gone crazy, spinning every which way. Hoopla about gender, sex is tearing old truths away. Feminism's roaring, confusion's in the air. But I still stand tall, unashamed to declare I'm a man, proud and simple, no apologies here. Gonna live by my code, keep my conscience clear. Let them talk, let them shout, let the trends come and go. I remember what a real man means deep down in my soul. Provide and protect, stand firm when it's tough. Love with your whole heart, but never back off. Be strong, be honest, be kind when you can. Every boy needs to see what it looks like to be a man. I'm gonna be the best man that I can be. No pretending, no fantasies, just straight up me. We're confusing the young ones, letting them play pretend, building up make-believe worlds that start and never end. Telling kids anything goes, no lines in the sand, but truth don't bend with the latest demand. A boy's gotta know what a man's supposed to do. Work with his hands, keep his word, see it through. Let them talk, let them shout, let the trends come and go. I remember what a real man means deep down in my soul. Fix what's broken, hold the door, take the weight when it falls. Laugh in the hard times, answer your family's calls. Be strong, be honest, be kind when you can. Raise them up right, teach them to be a man. I'm gonna be the best man that I can be, rooted in what's real, wild and free. A real man's got backbone, but a soft spot too. He'll fight for what's right and he'll cry when it's due. He shakes hands firm, looks you straight in the eye, carries the load, never asks why. He leads by example, not by what they say online. Lives by his values, one day at a time. So here's to the men who still believe in the old ways, who stand in the storm through the endless haze. No confusion, no shame, just pride in our name. We'll keep being men, lighting the flame. I'm gonna be the best man that I can be. For my kids, for my heart, for eternity. Yeah, I'm gonna be the best man. The best man I can be.